Well, with Little Italy Days, Picklesburg, and of course the Steelers game, the weekend was an awful lot of fun. But now comes the waiting game to see if we have a surge in COVID cases. The concern is very real because in all of those events, which were largely outdoors, there were a lot of people crowded together and mostly maskless. Anxious to get back some semblance of normal, we gathered in big numbers, hoping the wind would carry away any threat.
Now, it is possible for the virus to spread outdoors. You know, the closer the people are together, if they're in crowded situations, and if you're talking about people that are unmasked and unvaccinated, there can be spread there.
Dr. Nathan Shively is an infectious disease specialist for Allegheny Health Network and says we now are in the window to start seeing an impact.
That can be or until you develop symptoms, that can be anywhere from 4 to 14 days. So usually after events like this, we see people start showing up with symptoms within a week, but it can be as long as 2 weeks. Starting by this weekend, you might just see some rise in cases.
Now, as far as hospitalizations, Dr. Shively says those tend to lag a couple of weeks actually behind the start of a case rise. Dr. Shively says if you are going to attend a crowded event, even outdoors, you're better to mask up to protect yourself. He also has some real concerns about schools reopening and is quite blunt about those, and we'll hear from him coming up on the school issue.